Hey everybody, I'm happy to be here today to bring to you the new Chrono V2, explain some of the differences between the original Chrono and the new version, and also some of the technical differences too. The idea behind the new V2 was to keep the performance of the original Chrono, but increase the stability and usability of the kite to make it more of a high-performance freeride kite than just a competition wing. The basic design of the kite has stayed the same, but what we've done is change the leading edge shape and also change the tension that we put into the leading edge for better load distribution, but also cleaning up the surfaces both on the top and bottom surface. It makes a smoother leading edge, and obviously that's better for the airflow, so it increases performance. So the other big difference with the V2 is the sail shaping, and what we've done is we've radically modified the shaping in the tips, which means that during the inflation the tips have a much more of a tendency to open and inflate quicker, and that also helps in turbulent conditions to stop the tips from closing, and also when you're landing from big jumps they tend to stay open all the time. One of the obvious visual changes you'll notice are the valves. The new valves are a double level valve. We have the lower level which helps inflation and general flight, and then we have this upper level which helps for faster flight when we're at lower angles of attack. So basically this is your inflation and this is your high speed valve, which is allowing air to go in even when the separation point is above the normal part of the leading edge. One of the other big differences that you can't see is actually the internal strapping, and what we've done is increase the tension on the internal strap. So basically we have an A, B and a C strap, and by increasing the tension we make more of a rigid frame in the kite, and that adds to more stability, and it means that the wing doesn't move as much, and that leads to more performance. The one thing that is easily noticeable is we've gone away from the competition lines and we've gone to a sheath line. Basically that means that they're easier to look after and require less maintenance. One of the things we learnt from the original Chrono is that we needed to make a bigger water out channel in the trailing edge, so we've shortened the ribs a little bit more and made that channel bigger, so the drainage now is much better if you do end up with it in the water upside down and going inside. Now it comes nicely out of the tips. The other great thing about the Chrono V2 is we've got new sizing. We go from 7 meters all the way to 18 meters, which means that everybody can find something for their local conditions. Developing the Chrono V2 has been a lot of fun. It's taken over a year, but no matter what surface we've ridden it on, it's really excelled. We've had it on the snow with skis and snowboard. We've had it on the water with foil boards, race boards, twin tips, and we've had it on the land with land boards and buggies. And I think no matter what you're looking for, if you want a high performance foil, this is going to deliver.